So if you saw my shorts video yesterday, you'd see that I have now installed the King robot from LeapFX on my account. You can see here on the screen. So this is all installed on the 4 Forex pairs it recommends. These are all hourly time frames, pound dollar, dollar CAD, dollar Swissy, and Aussie dollar. So these are the 4 pairs recommended by the author. It's on the IC Markets account. I'm using $1,000. And when I started it all on 0.01 lot. And the reason why this is because I noticed with MoneyTree and I assumed that it would be the same for this one, and it was. As soon as you install and click on the auto trading button, it opens trades automatically. So I'm not sure if it use any proper logic to enter the first set of trades, which is why I set them at 0.1 lot, 0.01 lot, sorry. And looking at the account history, you can see I put in the first one and the first trade, and I'm glad this was 0.01 lot. The first trade here was a loss, and it's better to obviously lose at 0.01 than 0.1. And as it started trading, and as you can see, it started making some profit. You can see here from pound dollar, I've now ramped this up to 0.1, and I have actually done the same for all the other trades as well, 0.1. And I think what happens is when these ones eventually will close off, they're all looking quite good. These ones will all be 0.1 as well. So this one obviously has had a few trades since I changed it. It's all in profit, and all in profit. If this was 0.1, this would be a minus 60. That'll be £7, 10, 20. So it would be pretty much break even at this point. I think if this one was at 0.1, but now I've set them all to 0.1. So hopefully from now on we'll get some good trades. As you see here, everything's in profit. I've got a trade for each of the pairs. What I've seen so far is as soon as one trade finishes, a new one opens up. So I think you're always in a trade with this trading robot. So I'm now going to show you the MyFX book. So this is the MyFX book account. It's all live, trade record verified, trade privilege verified. I've opened it up completely so you can see exactly what's happening. Obviously just started. Good profit factor. We've had 9 trades so far. Look at the history. You can see the 4 trades which I showed you just now. Let's click on history. And we've had 1.6. That's the initial pound dollar, which was a loser, lost 60 pips. That seems to be the stop loss. All the others made 10 pips. So we would be total 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So if we lose 60, so we would be 20 pips up if it wasn't for the first, if it wasn't for this one. But as I mentioned, I did notice, as with MoneyTree, as soon as you activate it, it does open up in trades to start off with. So I wanted those ones to be at the smallest possible amount before I went into larger lot sizes. And you can see now we are getting these trades at larger sizes, and it will be the same for the other pairs as soon as these ones close out, these 3. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in purchasing this trading robot from LeapFX, please do consider purchasing from my link on the screen. They'll give me a referral fee, and it doesn't add any extra cost to your purchase, but it'll help support the channel so I can test and make more videos just like this. Thanks so much, and happy trading.